Hey, Math 3 Honors, how you doing? It's Mr. Guzik. I miss you guys. Haven't seen you in a few days. Yeah, this break stuff is boring. But yeah, we still got to take care of business. We still got to take care of our work. So yeah, take care of business, do your schoolwork, then play Minecraft, then go on TikTok. But yeah, let's see what our lesson's about today. Okay, so today we're looking at the signs of the trig functions on the unit circle. And there's some patterns, you're probably already recognizing them. But there's a little saying that we have, and it's a true saying, that will help us remember the patterns. And this true saying is, all students take calculus. Yeah, I hope that's true. I know that's true for all of you guys. I can't wait to see how well you guys are going to do in calculus. I think you'll be ready. Well, here's what it means. Well, it means in the first quadrant, all the trig functions are positive. That makes sense because the x and the y are both positive, and the trig functions are made up of x and y values. In the second quadrant, that stands for students, where we get s for sine and its reciprocal partner, cosecant. They're the only positive ones in the second quadrant, okay? That's because they use the y coordinate and the y is positive. And the third quadrant is take. That's t for take and tangent, and its reciprocal partner, cotangent. Those are the only ones that are positive in the third quadrant. And the fourth quadrant is calculus, c for calculus, or cosine, and its reciprocal partner, secant. They're the only ones that are positive in that quadrant. So we've got the saying, all students take calculus, and that's how we'll remember it. Let's see how we'll work one out. And to do it, what you do is you set up an all students take calculus quadrants right here, and then we're going to cross off some things that are true, or put x's where they're true. First one is the tangent of theta is greater than 0 or positive. Let's see, what quadrants is the tangent positive? Well, everything's positive in the first, and the tangent's also positive in the third, because that's t for tangent. Okay, now let's see where the sine is negative, or less than 0. Well, let's see. Let's think about where the sine's positive. The sine is positive in the first and the second, because that's S for student. So here's where it's positive. These two are positive. This must be these two that are negative. The one that has the two x's is where they're in common. So the quadrant where this would work would be in quadrant 3. Okay, take a look at the second problem, pause it, and try it yourself. Okay, let's see where the second one would be. Okay, it says where the secant is negative, or less than 0. Well, secant goes along with cosine. Cosine's positive in the fourth and the first. So here's where the cosine's positive and the secant. So the secant will be negative in these two. So in these two where the secant and its reciprocal partner cosine are negative. Let's look at the next one. Where is the cotangent less than 0? Well, the cotangent is the same as the tangent. The tangent is positive in first and third, so the tangent's negative in the other two quadrants, second and fourth. The place where they overlap is right here in quadrant 2. So the place where the secant is negative and the cotangent is negative is in quadrant 2. Okay, Math 3 Honors, so your homework will be based on these type of problems. I know you got this. Talk to you later.